Manipur registered one more COVID-19 death today. With this, the total number of fatalities due to the contagion in the state has reached 8 so far. The 15-year-old boy patient was suffering from chronic kidney disease and had been undergoing treatment for the past 2 months, an official report said. The boy from Fubala, Ward No. 4 of Bishnupur subdivision under Moirang died at 6:45 this morning at the Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS. Officials said one doctor and 2 other persons who attended the deceased person have tested positive for COVID-19. Manipur registered 75 new cases of COVID-19 in the past 24 hours, taking the total tally to 3,093. Currently, the number of active cases in the state is 1,224 and 1,862 have been recovered. The recovery rate of COVID-19 positive cases in the state reached 60.20% again yesterday after it was declined to 60.10% on Tuesday. Assam has reported 2,284 fresh cases of COVID-19 positive yesterday, taking the total tally to 50,445 with 14,429 active cases. According to our Assam correspondent, during the past 24 hours, Hojai district alone recorded 72 new cases of COVID-19. So far, 35,829 individuals have recovered, while 121 have succumbed to the disease in Assam. The total number of coronavirus cases in India surged to 19,64,537, while the death toll climbed to 40,699, with 904 people succumbing to the disease in a span of 24 hours. As per the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare data updated this morning, the COVID-19 tally of the country climbed to 19,64,537. The overall coronavirus tally of India includes 5,95,501 active cases, while 13,28,337 have recovered so far, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare's data showed. A 20-year-old pregnant woman died due to non-availability of doctors for delivery early this morning at around 3. The deceased was identified as Kachakna Kamai, wife of Roshan Balang of Puichi village in Noni district. She died at Seizure Hospital, LANGOL. At least 8 patients died after a major fire broke out at COVID-19 hospital in Ahmedabad in the wee hours today. According to media reports, all 8 victims, including 5 men and 3 women, were novel coronavirus patients admitted to the hospital. They were being treated at the ICU ward of the COVID-19 designated Shrey Hospital in Navrangpura area of Ahmedabad, an official said. Ahmedabad Fire Department confirmed the news. Several shops were gutted in a major fire in the wee hours at LANGOL Game Village, Zone 4 under LAMPHEL Police Station in Imphal. 2 grocery shops, 1 cosmetic store and 1 pharmacy were among the shops gutted in the blaze, according to a report. Manipur Fire Service rushed to the spot to conduct fire dousing. All Manipur BDF Welfare Association has announced that the association will intensify the ongoing stir from August 10. Association President M. Amuthoi condemned the Chief Minister's statement yesterday in media, wherein he said that the government honors the demand raised by the BDF and that the government has decided to increase their honorarium to Rs 10,500. M. Amuthoi said that the state government has ignored their key demands such as 13 months pay, service regularization and service security. The flood situation in Assam has improved considerably over the last couple of days, with no rain and the sun burning bright across the state. However, 50% of the world-famous Kaziranga National Park is still inundated, as per media reports. As many as 18 rhinos and 135 wild animals died due to the deluge till date. On the other hand, around 172 wild animals have been rescued so far from floodwater, even though over 95% of the park remained inundated until July 23rd. Around 1.43 lakh people in 270 villages in 15 districts are still in distress, even as the situation in Assam has improved hugely in the past 2 weeks due to the let-up in the monsoon. The Mizoram government is mulling to frame its own health policy to set a target or goal and evolve proper system vis-a-vis public health. This was informed by Health Minister Dr. LAKH yesterday. According to a media report, this was decided at a meeting of the Health and Family Welfare Board attended by health officials, including the board vice chairman and MLA Dr. Z.R. Thiamsanga. Arunachal Pradesh registered 65 new COVID-19 cases yesterday, taking the state's overall tally to 1,855. According to a data shared by the Directorate of Health Services, Arunachal Pradesh last night reported the new COVID-19 positive cases from 11 districts across the state. The total number of discharged patients in Arunachal Pradesh now stands at 1,210. Arunachal Pradesh currently has 642 active COVID-19 cases, while 3 persons have succumbed to infections in the state so far, the report added. Hiroshima today observed the 75th anniversary of the world's first atomic bombing, with ceremonies downsized due to the coronavirus and the city's mayor urging nations to reject selfish nationalism and unite to fight all threats. As per a media report, though thousands usually packed the Peace Park in the center of the Japanese city to pray, sing and offer paper crayons as a symbol of peace, entrance was sharply limited and only survivors and their families could attend the memorial ceremony. As the rains battered Mumbai incessantly over the past few days, COLABA set a record with the highest rainfall in a single day in 46 years. India Meteorological Department has said COLABA has received 331.8 mm rainfall in the last 24 hours. In 12th COLABA area of Mumbai received 293.8 mm of rain, which is the highest that the South Mumbai area has seen in the last 46 years in the month of August, according to a media report.